That's what's up. I'm outside. I'm in a different state, so there's a state, so they have heat pumps. 2010, 3-ton. It's a Heil HVAC, and you know, it's on cool mode. Now this one is broken. It's going out cold air. You can hear the compressor. Sounds like it's dying. Sounds like it's dying out. I'm gonna get this. This is the one I'm still trying to fix. It's been broken for a long time, and the lights started to flicker. So I guess that's what happened. I'm probably gonna get this thing turned off and turned back on. Yeah, no, it's not running now. I guess I don't know if the fan motor's all seized up, or it really is time for it to go and get replaced. I'm gonna try this one more time. If it doesn't work, then this unit needs to be replaced for good.